Hey everyone, I'm Mark Sievers, and today I'm going to show you how to use fresh flowers to garnish beautiful glassware for wine, cocktails, martinis, water, whatever you want to drink at home. So I got this idea on a recent trip to Hawaii from this beautiful restaurant called La Mer, right overlooking the ocean, so beautiful. And I ordered a martini, and it came with the most beautiful, fully opened red rose garnish I've ever seen. And I went, oh my God, I need to do that at home. And then I thought, it's not actually very hard. So I came home, got some ideas together, and I'm going to share them with you right now. Let me show you what I have going on overhead. So I have a selection of glassware. You can do this with anything that has a rim. So I have a martini glass. I have this beautiful vintage coupe from a flea market in New York, and just a great French wine glass. So what I've done is I've taken little sprigs of flowers and I've attached them with these little tiny itty bitty clothespins. You can find them online, search mini clothespin, and you'll get all kinds of links and all kinds of colors. I just like the little natural wooden ones. I think those are the most elegant ones, and they look super earthy with the greens against the crystal. And then here I have some beautiful fresh thyme. You can do this really with any pesticide-free flower. So this is organic thyme and a little bit of dried flowers that I got at the grocery store. What I love about this is you can do fresh herbs, fresh flowers, really anything that you think is beautiful. Your guests really aren't going to consume the garnish. It's more about the presentation. So let me show you my favorite presentation. So, I do love a glass or a few bottles of rosé now and then. So rosé all day, all year. We all know the saying. So I've got a gorgeous bottle of French rosé, and I'm going to put some into my glass, which this is the type of garnish that I think if you had multiple of these glasses on a beautiful tray. And I have this beautifully fully open pink rose that just smells so rosy. And all I'm going to do is literally rest the rose right on top of the glass, and et voila. Here is the beautiful full open rose garnish. So the idea, obviously, if I go to take a sip, you don't have to balance it and hold it, but you can pull it off, smell it, gives your guests a little something tactile to play with at dinner, and of course, a little sip of rosé will never hurt anybody. So head over to marcsievers.com for more ways to garnish cocktails, and of course for cocktail recipes. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys. Let's see, if that martini one was full, that would be a vodka martini with blue cheese olives. This one would be really good with sorbet, beautiful raspberry sorbet. But since this one's full, I'm just gonna keep going with my libation. Bye guys.